So we hear someone snoring here. We're investigating. Who the hell is snoring? Who the hell is snoring? Who the hell is snoring?
Let's go. Get ready, bro. Let's go.
We're going to the W.
Tired.
Oh, little girl.
You guys slept already. I haven't slept yet.
Oh, that's your fault.
What were you doing last night?
Yeah, what were you doing last night? That's what I thought, little bitch.
Look, he started using his phone now. I told him he has videos. I got plenty of videos of you.
Yeah, don't worry, I got this one.